A good start to a brand new week. Nifty is scaled 11,500 level. It is the Nifty IT index that is the star performer, sectoral performer in trade today. The Nifty IT index actually touched its highest level in over 2 decades on back of strong gains coming in on the TCS and Wipro as well as Infosys. If we talk about TCS, it's hit a fresh record high levels. It surged over 6% in trade today, most in almost 6 months. The company said that their board will be considering buyback of share, and this is at the October 7th board meeting, the same day when they will come out with their earnings as well. On back of this, the stock hit a fresh record high levels. It's up for a 6th straight session. If you see in the last 5 trading sessions, TCS has gained about 10%. Let me talk about Infosys. The IT bellwether is gaining for a 2nd straight session. It's hit fresh record high levels like I mentioned earlier. Also, Infosys has completed the acquisition of Guide Vision, a leading ServiceNow elite partner in Europe. The stock has gained over 13% in the last 30 days. Let's talk about Wipro. Surged over 6% in trade, fresh record high levels coming in for Wipro as well. It has gained about 20% in the last 30 days, is up about 40% in the last 52 weeks. So good gains coming in the IT sector. Also, something to note is that TCS has become India's 2nd company with a market capitalization of over 10 lakh crore rupees. So bumper day coming in for TCS. October 7th is when they'll come out with their results, as well as they'll consider the buyback issue as well. Suprajit Engineering, the stock has gained for a 2nd trading session. It's at its highest level since August 26. The company said that in its Q2 group sales have risen by about 15% on a year-on-year basis. They said their Q2 operational financial performance is expected to be normal as well. VST Tiller Tractors, the stock has snapped 2-day losing streak. The September tractor sales rose by about 50% on a year-on-year basis. If you look at the sales of power tillers, also rose about 74% on a year-on-year basis. So that's the reason why VST Tillers is also buzzing in trade today. The stock has gained over 35% in the last 52 weeks. ITI, the stock has surged over 7% in today on the reports that the company has signed a contract worth 7,796 crore rupees with the Ministry of Defence for the supply as well as establishment of Army Static Switched Communication Network, that's known as ASCON Phase 4. And the stock is up about 7.7% in the last 5 trading sessions and is also gaining for a 2nd straight session. But today the star performer definitely all out has to be the IT sector with your TCS that is leading the gains on the index, record high levels. Also become India's 2nd company with the market capitalization of over 10 lakh crore rupees. So that's how today's trading session is looking like.